Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down powerful customizations in Hexagon EAM that can make a real difference in your workflows. Today, we're diving into a custom Ext JS script designed to enhance the user experience and data accuracy when dealing with pick tickets in the EAM system. This script extends the core EAM framework to enforce one simple but critical rule. You can't generate a pick ticket without entering a delivery address. Here's how it works. When a user attempts to save a record on the record view, the script kicks in. It checks the form and looks specifically at the delivery address field. If that field is empty, it immediately prompts the user with a clear error message and stops the save action. This helps prevent incomplete or incorrect pick tickets from entering the system, ensuring smoother logistics and fewer headaches down the line. But it doesn't stop there. The script also adds a friendly reminder. If the delivery address is filled out, but the Deliver to Employee field is still blank, it gently nudges the user with a warning, recommending that they fill in both fields together. This proactive touch helps encourage better, more complete data input without being too intrusive. So why is this important? In busy, asset-intensive environments, every detail matters. This small bit of automation ensures your data is reliable and that your warehouse or maintenance team always has the information they need. Whether you're customizing your EAM interface or just exploring what's possible with the Extensible framework, scripts like these show how we can improve usability and boost operational efficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more EAM customizations and tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.